Well, hello students. Today we'll start exercise 2.3 and that is variables on both the sides. So we have learned from our previous videos that how to solve the equations which are carrying expression at one side and numbers on the other side. But this time we'll learn that how we'll solve when the variables are on both the sides. So it is more or less same only. We'll follow the same rule. Now, what is the first rule that we have to follow is that keep variable on LHS. That is, if you see the equation like this, that is 3x plus 2x plus 18. Now, always try to bring the variable on the left hand side and try to keep the constant on the right hand side. Okay, that is the basic things that we have to follow. Okay, and more we proceed with the chapters, I will give you more variations. Okay, now in exercise number 2.3 there are altogether 10 sums. Okay, in this video I have solved 4 sums. So your homework is that you will solve sum number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay students, up till 6 no one will proceed more than 6, because the explanation of 7, 8, 9 and 10 I will be giving you tomorrow. Okay, so next video regarding this exercise will be the explanation on sum number 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, so your homework, again I'm repeating, your homework for today is from question number 1 to 6, and out of this 6 question I have already explained 4 questions in this video. Okay, so let's see. Now question number 1 is what? 3x is equals to 2x plus 8. You see both the side are carrying the variable. Now what I said, that you will keep the variable on the left hand side, so you have to bring this variable to left hand side. So we know that what is the rule? When we bring anything from one side to another side, the sign changes. So plus 2x means when it will go to LHS, it will become minus 2x. Very easy. So 3x minus 2x is equals to what? X. So x equals to 18. So the answer is 18. Now you see, now in both the side you see the variable is also there and constant term is also there. So what was a logic that we have to use? That we have to keep the variable at left hand side and bring all the constant to right hand side. So if we carefully observe, you see on the right hand side this is a variable, so we have to bring this variable to the right hand side, and on left hand side we have this constant term, so we have to take this constant term to right hand side. Let's see, I've given the arrows also. Now when we bring this 3x to LHS, so it is carrying what sign? Plus sign, so it will become minus. And similarly when we take this plus 9 to RHS, so it will become minus 9. You see, the next step is 5x minus 3x equals to 5 minus 9. When you solve this, you will get the answer as 2x, and after solving this part you will get the answer as minus 4. Fine. Now you know that you have to remove this 2, so you have to divide both side by 2. So I have not shown this as because you know that what exactly has to be done. So x equals to minus 4 by 2. Now deduce this, so you will get x as minus 2 is the answer. Okay students, now let's move on to the next question, as is question number 5. Again we see that both the side are carrying the variable as well as the constant term. So again you see we have to bring this minus x to LHS and minus 1 to RHS. So when we bring this minus x to LHS, it will become plus, and when we take this minus 1 to RHS, then it will become plus. So what is the second step? 2x plus x equals to 14 plus 1. So 2x plus x means what? What is the meaning of x? X means 1x. So we don't write this 1x. When x is written, you have to take it as a granted that there is 1 is there. Okay. So 2 plus 1 is 3x equals to 14 plus 1 is 15. Now we have to remove this 3, we have to take this, so 15 is a 3 into x is a multiplication form, so it will be in the division form when after transposing actually. So x equals to 15 by 3, so x equals to 5. Now question number 6 is very important. Now you see, again both the sides are carrying the variable, but if you carefully observe the right hand side, we see that something there is inside the bracket also. So the first thing that you have to do, you have to open the bracket. Fine, that is 3 into inside the bracket x minus 1. So we'll keep all this thing as intact, that is 8x plus 4x equals to, now open the bracket, 3 into x is what? 3x. Okay, no sign is here, that means plus sign is here. The plus minus is minus, 3 ones are 3 plus 7. Now what we have to do? Obviously we have to bring the variable terms to the left hand side and the constant term to the right hand side. So this is carrying what sign? No sign. That means no sign means what? Plus sign is there. So when we'll take this to LHS, it will become minus c, 8x minus 3x. Now what constant terms we are having on the right hand side? That is minus 3 plus 7. I have already written that. Which term I am bringing from left hand side? That is plus 4. So when we will come to this side, it will become minus 4. Okay, now solve this. 8x minus 3x is what? 5x. Minus 3 plus 7 is plus 4. Minus 4 is already existing, so we'll write it minus 4. Now plus 4 minus 4 is what? 0. So x equals to what? 0 by 5, which is x equals to 0. So I hope you find all the sum very easy. Now I repeat that please do question number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Do not proceed more than 6 questions, because the explanation of question number 7, 8, 9 and 10 will be given tomorrow. So your homework is from 1 to 6. Okay, thank you and take care.